Hey everyone, welcome back to our cosmic journey. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating concept of the Andromeda, the merger of the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies. So, let's get started. First, let's introduce both of these majestic galaxies. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest neighbor, is an impressive 2.5 million light-years away from us. It's the most massive galaxy in our local group, and is expected to collide with the Milky Way in about 3.7 billion years. Now, let's talk about the collision course. Both galaxies are on a collision course, and as they approach each other, they'll start to interact gravitationally. This interaction will cause the galaxies to distort and stretch, creating a stunning cosmic dance. Once they collide, the impact will be significant. The galaxies will merge, creating a single, massive elliptical galaxy. This event will also cause the distribution of stars, gas, and dust to change, potentially creating a new spiral galaxy. As we look to the future, we can speculate on what the Andromeda will look like. It's possible that it could resemble a massive elliptical galaxy, or it could even form a new spiral galaxy. That's it for today's cosmic adventure. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting cosmic stories. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.